All right, so show that the two expressions are equivalent. So for this first question, I've highlighted it so you can see there are two expressions. I got 6a plus 5 plus 2a minus 10 and 8a minus 5. Okay, so out of these two, the yellow and the green, which one should we solve or simplify? All right, the yellow one, well, we can do something with this green one. I cannot, there's no like terms. 8a minus 5, I am done. So let's simplify this one. Okay, so do you have a match for 6a? Is there a like term for 6a? Absolutely. You see it says plus 2a. Let's put them together. 6a plus 2a. Okay, let's go with the next one. 5, positive 5. Is there a match for 5? Absolutely. Minus 10. Right, they're both numbers. They don't have letters, so they can be combined. So I have positive 5, and then I have a minus 10. Okay, so let's solve. 6a plus 2a, what's that? That's 8a. And then we're going to add 5 minus 10. Or we could say 5 plus negative 10. Right, that's going to be in the negative, so we're going to get negative 5. Okay, so remember we can rewrite this. So we're going to rewrite it. 8a minus 5, and you can see that's what we want looking for. To show that they're both equivalent, it's the same as that. So these two are equivalent. 6a plus 5 plus 2a minus 10 is equal to 8a minus 5. All right, guys, let's try another one. Show that these two expressions are equivalent. Pause the video, try this yourself, then we'll review. All right, how'd you do? All right, let's look at this first expression, right? We got the 6 times the difference of 5/10 x minus 2. So what did you use? Did you factor or did you use the distributive property for this? All right, if you use the distributive property, absolutely, we can distribute the 6 to both of these terms. So we could say 6 times 0.5x or 5/10 x. And then I got a subtraction symbol minus 6 times 2. All right, so we know 0.5 is 1/2, right? So what's half of 6? Half of 6 is 3. So I have 3x minus 6 times 2 is 12. And you can see that's the same thing as our second term right there. All right, let's keep going. All right, now we got a little bit of a different question. Determine whether the two expressions are equivalent. So are these both equivalent? So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to write them first, 20 minus x, and I'm going to put an equal sign, okay, and we'll see if they're equal. Do they equal each other? All right, so let's do this first side. Let's distribute the 1/4. 1/4 times 20, 1/4 times 8x, okay? So what's a quarter of 20? A quarter of 20 would be 5. So I get 5 minus, and what's a quarter of 8? A quarter of 8 is 2. So 5 minus 2x equals, let's see if this works. Now I'm going to be distributing this negative, where it's kind of a negative 1, really. So I'll be multiplying everything by negative 1, which really just changes the signs, okay? So let's change both of these. All right, negative 1 times 2x. So this is a positive 2x, so now it's going to be a negative 2x. And instead of plus 5, now it's going to be minus 5. So are these equivalent? Well, they kind of look very close, right? I got a 5, and I got a 2x, and then I got a minus 2x, and then a negative 2x minus 5. So you know what? Let's first rewrite this in all addition. 5 plus negative 2x, and then negative 2x plus negative 5 over here. And now let's move everything. Let's move on this one. Let's move the letter for the variable term first. So I'm going to move negative 2x first. Negative 2x plus, it's a positive 5, plus 5. Okay, and then we'll keep this one the same. Negative 2x plus negative 5. So you see that they're almost the same. The only difference, right? This is positive 5, and this is negative 5. So very similar, but they are not equal. So I'm going to put a not equals line through the middle. Okay, so they are not equivalent. Okay. All right, let's try another one. Final one. Try this by yourself. Are these two terms or expressions equivalent? Pause the video, try yourself, then we'll review. All right, are they equivalent? Well, let's find out. Let's write them as if they were 13z plus 6 minus 8 minus 5z. Does that equal 2 times the difference of 4z minus 1? Let's try it out. First thing, what do you notice? What are we going to do first? Right? We're going to combine like terms. So I have 13z minus 5z. So 13 5z, and then I have 6, positive 6 minus 8. So positive 6 minus 8. Okay, so I get 13z minus 5z. 13 minus 5 is 8. So I get 8z plus 6 minus 8. Right, 8's bigger, so it's going to be in the negatives, negative 2. Okay, we can change this to 8z minus 2. We might need that. All right, so let's see. Do these equal? Let's distribute. 2 times 4z, 2 times 1. 2 times 4, that's 8z. Okay, minus 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so let's just write this down here. 8z minus 2, 8z minus 2. And you can see, yep, they look exactly the same. So yes, these are equal.